The 2025 Lada Granta continues to hold its ground as one of the most popular and affordable sedans in Russia. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and practicality, the new Granta adds subtle upgrades to maintain its relevance in an increasingly competitive market. With a refreshed exterior, improved materials, and more modern features, it offers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. Visually, the 2025 Granta retains its familiar compact sedan silhouette but comes with sharper lines and a more refined front fascia. The black color variant, in particular, adds a sense of elegance and understated style. The headlights are sleeker, the grille is more expressive, and the overall fit and finish have noticeably improved. While it still follows a utilitarian design philosophy, there's a sense of maturity and modernity in its updated aesthetics. Under the hood, the Granta is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.6-liter petrol engine, delivering adequate performance for city driving and light highway cruising. The 5-speed manual or optional automatic transmission is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for first-time drivers or those looking for a hassle-free commute. Though not built for high performance, the Granta excels in fuel economy and low maintenance costs, two critical factors in its market segment. Inside, the cabin is clean and functional. The materials are more refined than before, with improved plastic quality and better seat upholstery. While it doesn't offer premium-level comfort, it's spacious enough for small families. Basic tech features like USB ports, a modest infotainment screen, and manual air conditioning come standard, with higher trims offering additional conveniences. One of the strongest points of the Granta remains its affordability and ease of ownership. Spare parts are widely available and reasonably priced, and the overall maintenance costs are among the lowest in its class. For buyers looking for a dependable daily driver with no unnecessary frills, the 2025 Lada Granta fits the bill perfectly. In summary, the 2025 Lada Granta is not about luxury or flash, it's about honest motoring, practicality, and value. It stands as a smart choice for those who want reliability and economy without sacrificing essential features.